Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kate and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So apparently it's some type of sports season thing happening right now. I don't know. I just heard everybody talking about sports and how traffic was gonna be like 3 hours in LA and some more stuff and baseball and sports ball and like whatever. I don't know. I'm just a girl. But I was like, ooh, you know what would be perfect for sports? Because I have been to sporting gatherings and that I was there for the snacks and the vibes. But I was like, ooh, a little buffalo chicken dip. And I was like, this is so easy to make vegan. It has to be straightforward. And it came out so good. She's creamy, but really good. Really good. You could always, I'll show you what I mean. If you want to see how I made a vegan buffalo chicken dip, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, a link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with one of my favorite girls, and that's Soy Curls. I've been using her a lot lately. Like, yeah, and they're really easy. They're really accessible to find. I get them on Amazon. Could you make this without soy curls if you're not like a soy girly? I mean, I guess it would be like a cream cheese dip, which would be good. That would be tea actually, but I don't think this will work well with really any other protein. You could try mushrooms, let me know how it goes. Maybe like a oyster mushroom. And it's not the time and place for tofu. But let me know if you think anything. So I'm gonna start off by making my little broth. And I was like, when I was pouring this down the drain, literally halfway through, I was like, I should have kept this for a soup base because this base is so freaking good. I use Sazon because the nutritional yeast, garlic powder, onion powder, a bay leaf, and what else did I put in there? Oh, these vegan chicken bouillon cubes that I get from Whole Foods. Like the base was so flavorful. I'm like, I definitely, and I didn't use all these soy curls. I'm like, I should make me a vegan chicken noodle soup or something like, yeah. But you have to rehydrate these soy curls. That's why I'm making it in a broth, and I had something else I need to do. So I was like, period, I'm gonna let these do their thing for like a little hour or whatever, and I'll come back and like here they are after. And I'm just like, yeah, very good. Okay, so I'm using this vegan cream cheese that I get from Trader Joe's. I think it's one of the best vegan cream cheeses out there. Like it really, I mean, I've been vegan for so long, I think almost 8 years. So do I remember exactly what cream cheese tastes like? No, but this is like spot on to what I remember now. Shit tough like any old rhino buck. McKeon lied to you. Like, why aren't you spreading? Like, I left this out for like an hour. It doesn't matter. She's unmovable. But the flavor is there and it's worth the gamble. I could have microwaved it, but I realized that way too late. But a really good vegan cream cheese. You could also use like Violife has a good vegan cream cheese. I don't think Tofutti makes cream cheese anymore. That might not be a loss to the community, but we'll keep moving on. Anyway, you see how I'm mixing it and she's just not, but we're gonna ignore her. Sometimes people just have tantrums. And I added, what else I added in there? You saw it, it's in the recipe. And then I was like, this needs some type of crunch, some type of greenery, some type of something. It can't just pure cheese on things. Oh, I added vegan sour cream. I've been loving this one from Violife. Honestly, I used to love the Tofutti sour cream so badly, and then it went out of stock or out of commission or whatever. I don't know who be giving these companies notes. And I was like, dang, what am I gonna do? Because vegan sour cream could be a gamble. Girl, let me tell you about this Violife. Yeah, she did her big one. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it all around and I'm gonna add in some seasonings. You can use whatever you want, but I was like trying to go for a ranch vibe. I have vegan ranch in my possession, but I decided against it and use mayo instead. But you can add vegan ranch if you don't want to do like all the seasonings and stuff. Let me know how that goes for you. People do it, so it's not a gag. Like people do it, but I did it this way. And I just add like ranch like seasonings like pepper, dill, parsley, because like normally when I have a ranch, I'll make it at home. I haven't had ranch in a minute though. But anyway, let's keep going. So I'm using this buffalo sauce. I love this one from, what is it called? You saw the brand, I forgot, but I buy it all the time. It is vegan. You can also use the Frank's buffalo sauce, that's vegan, or the Frank's hot sauce, or almost any hot sauce. Just make sure you're reading the instructions. A lot of times buffalo sauce has like some type of butter or some type of dairy. Oh, that's what I wanted to say. You saw that pickle juice? Just trust me, okay? Kind of you're like, girl, have you lost it? Maybe, but when I make ranch, I'm pretty sure there's a video on this channel where I made ranch with pickle juice. It's like the perfect little thing to use, okay? You could leave it out if you want to, be a fuddy-duddy, but no, it works well, and also you don't really taste it. I just wanted some bite to it, and it did bite me back. It was so good. I was like, I really eat this whole thing. I'm not going to because this does not fit in your macros. It does not. You just have to accept that going in. Like, This is not, you know, aligning with your goals, but you should eat it because life is short and it's good. Anyway, so I'm putting this little cute bowl. You see what I got from Home Goods? I said, oh, Home Goods, you showing out. Look at my little bowl. It's SG Road Blue. Anyway, I'm topping it more with Violife. I like this Colby Jack one from Violife. It's so good. It melts so well. Here she is fresh out the oven. Is she jiggly? Yes, just relax. It's so good. It's so creamy. Like, it came out so good. Now, was I trifling for not chopping up the soy curls? Absolutely. Do you have to comment on that? No. But this is such a good dip. I think it will do really well at a little party, a little gathering, you know, with some little carrot sticks. What else could you do? A little hummus, a little baba ganoush. Hold on, let me do that. Anyway, happy sports. I don't know what's going on. Baseball? Something with LeBron James and then Ellie the elephant. That's all I know. But anyway, let me know if you make this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because there's no amount of videos. I said enough videos, maybe enough. I mean plenty, like enough, like lots, like 20 billion. Mine is like a lot of billions. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, let me know what I should make next, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.